It's really been fun working with the team, the architectural team, to have an even flow of from the old to the new, so everything looks new. A lot of times when there's a renovation at a center or a building, the old center stays the same. It's almost like being at the kids' table at Thanksgiving, right? You go through the old part and then you go into a brand new piece of the house. We want to marry that so everything is a flow and unnoticeable to our past clients and to our new clients. Our plan will be to be light, bright, forest theme, river, just all natural. And it's going to be beautiful, about another 13,000 square feet of meeting space. We'll have an outdoor plaza. The technology will be second to none in this area. So our new entryway will have 2 circular driveways. And we'll come around, and in the front, we'll also have a bridge that will connect over to the Battery and Truist Park. So the entryway is going to be all landscape. We are saving the Japanese maple, which is historic here, and we're going to replant it out front. The new entry is going to be all bright, open air, light windows. Our elevator is going to be LED wrapped. It's going to really open up the whole facility to make it look brand new. Along with that, we're going to have a new executive boardroom, and that will be able for high-level meetings. I'm hoping for corporate meetings or board meetings of the Fortune 500 in the area. It has a separate entrance, a separate restroom, state-of-the-art boardroom for meetings and gatherings. The ballroom will be totally renovated. The sound system, that is all going to be redone. It's going to be playing along with a new building. It's going to be brighter, lighter, and just warm and welcoming. Along, even down to the carpet, is going to be really a game changer and new look for the ballroom. Along with the ballroom will be the rotunda. It's going to be totally changed. We're going to go to a brand new terrazzo floor, and you'll see the floor look like a river coming into the administrative offices, along with a beautiful state-of-the-art sculpture, which will hang from the pyramid access roof. It's going to be one of a kind, custom made. It's going to be beautiful. People won't realize they're in the same entrance they've been in for 30 years. And I'm of the mindset that we should rent and lease every space we have. That's going to be a phenomenal reception area for higher end cocktail parties, things of that nature. Once you leave the rotunda, there's going to be a hallway that will connect down to the new meeting space and junior ballrooms. And now as you pass there, we'll have a food and beverage outlet, which will be grab and go. We're going to incorporate seating pods and other areas within that. I like to call it the 3 C's. We want people to communicate, collaborate, and connect. And we want them to stay here. So that's the whole flow and the intention of the expansion, old with new. I am really big, and I'm driving our team crazy on changeable lights to change the atmosphere. It really brings a new look and feel to conventions and trade shows when you can, for example, your color of your company is orange, let's say. You come in, the whole facility is orange lit. And in the convention business, as we should, when you have repeat business, you want every year your client to come back to something new. And this year, and when we open in 2027, it's going to be phenomenal, and it's going to blow their minds. It's going to be something they haven't seen before.